Hey everyone! Today I will show you how to get LinkedIn profile URL. First, we're going to go step by step so you don't miss anything important. And don't worry, we're going to cover both for mobile app and on your computer. So let's get started. First, open LinkedIn and head over to your profile. If you're using the LinkedIn mobile app, go to the Home tab here at the bottom left, then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. After that, tap on your name or profile picture at the top to open your full profile page. And if you're using a computer, simply click your profile icon at the top right corner, then click View Profile. This will take you directly to your profile page. Now, if you're on a computer, it is very simple. Once you're on your profile page, you'll see already your profile URL in the address bar at the top of your browser. You can click on it or right click and then press copy. And that's it. If you're on a phone, the steps are a little different. On your profile page, look to the right of the Open To and Add section buttons. You'll see three dots and tap on those three dots. A pop-up menu will appear with options like Send Profile in a Message and Share Via. Tap on Share Via. Another pop-up will appear, and from there you can either share the link directly to an app or tap Copy to copy your profile URL. Once copied, you can paste it anywhere you like. For example, you can paste it in your Notes app, a message, or a job application form. Just tap and hold paste. You'll notice that sometimes the link includes extra characters after a question mark. To make it cleaner and shorter, you can remove everything after the question mark. Just select the link up to the question mark and delete the rest. This makes your LinkedIn profile URL neater and easier to share. And that is just basically it. That is how to get a LinkedIn profile URL. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.